Immunity means the exemption from penalties, payments or legal requirements, granted by authorities or statutes. Generally, there are 4 types of immunity at law. 1. Witness immunity from prosecution is granted to someone in exchange for information or testimony in a criminal trial. 2. Public officials' protection from liability protects officials like city managers and police chiefs from liability for their decisions. It also protects state and federal lawmakers and executives in connection with their conduct of official duties. 3. Sovereign or governmental immunity protects a sovereign state or agency from lawsuits without their consent. 4. Diplomatic immunity is granted to diplomatic personnel, exempting them from the laws of a foreign jurisdiction.